Students, and welcome to my geography class. In last lesson we have discussed elements of weather as well as climate. In today's lesson I am going to teach you how these elements like temperature, atmospheric pressure and humidity we can measure. These elements we measure in certain units. First we are going to discuss temperature. As you know, when we are sick or something, we don't feel good, we will go to a doctor. First thing what doctor will do? Doctor use a thermometer to check the body temperature. So thermometer is the instrument to measure the temperature. Maybe doctor will use, and for the weather also we use thermometer to measure the temperature. So temperature have three units: Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. In universally we use thermometer to measure the temperature. Sometimes if temperature is very high like 30 degree, 40 degree, it is hot. And if temperature is 10 degree or 20 degree, in between 10-20 we say is cold weather. And sometimes in winter time, you know, sometimes temperature will go below 0 degree, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 degree or minus 40 degree. It will go means in the polar area or somewhere area, but normally minus 10 and between minus 20 degree it will go down. Okay, so we will say it's a very cold, freezing cold. So to measure the temperature we use thermometer. Thermometer is the instrument to measure the temperature, and the unit is Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. That is all about temperature. Now our second element is humidity. I explained you humidity very nicely, and absolute humidity, you know, we don't measure. We measure relative humidity. How we measure relative humidity? We have formula: amount of water vapor in a given volume of air at a given temperature and divided by maximum amount of water vapor the same volume can hold at the same temperature and multiply by 100. This is the formula to calculate the relative humidity. For example, if the amount of water vapor present is 20 gram, but the amount of water vapor that air can hold is 40 gram. So 20 divided by 40 multiplied by 100 is equal to 50%. The unit we can measure the humidity is percentage. Now which instrument we use to measure the humidity? That instrument name is hygrometer. A hygrometer is an instrument used for measuring relative humidity. It measures the water vapor in the atmosphere. Now number 3 is air pressure. Air pressure definition also I explained you very nicely. I hope you understood. So now which instrument we use to measure the atmospheric pressure? First is a barometer. A barometer is an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. It is also called the mercury barometer. This provides the pressure of the air, which can be read on the scale marked on the glass tube. Atmospheric pressure is measured in millibars, and 1030 millibar is considered to be a normal atmospheric pressure. Like temperature, we will say, if it is like I am talking about body temperature. If body temperature is 36, 37, we will say it's a normal temperature. Same for the atmospheric pressure. If it is 1013 millibars, we will say it's a normal atmospheric pressure. If it will go down, we will say atmospheric pressure is less. If it will go high, we will more than 1013 millibars, it will go up, then we will say atmospheric pressure is more. We will discuss low pressure area and high pressure area also in the last lesson. So mercury barometer is the one instrument to measure the air pressure. Second instrument is aneroid barometer. Why we need second aneroid barometer? Because it is difficult. This mercury barometer, it's difficult to carry to here and there. And mercury, you know, it's a liquid form. Okay, so scientists invented another instrument to measure the air pressure. So second instrument is aneroid barometer. And even then, you know that blood pressure machine we use to check the blood pressure of our body. This work also same way. This is aneroid barometer. Since the mercury barometer is not easily portable, means is not easy to carry, the aneroid barometer is more commonly used. An aneroid barometer consists of a metal box with partial vacuum inside. You know vacuum inside means like blood pressure machine. When we check the blood pressure, when we pressurize, it will go expand. And a flexible ball which expands and contracts. Pointers indicate the atmospheric pressure accordingly. Now see how it works. You people see that blood pressure machine. When blood pressure will go high, that we will put it on the arm, it will get expand. And when it comes on down, it will get squeezed. So same way this Android barometer works. Okay, and degree is unit is millibars. We measured the air pressure is in millibars. So this is for temperature we use thermometer. For measure relative humidity or humidity we use hygrometer. And for air pressure we use barometer and Android barometer. These are the 4 instruments we use to measure the temperature, air pressure and humidity. It's all about the instruments. Thank you for today's lesson.